Right now, you're moving at 1.3 million miles per hour, and you have absolutely no way to feel it. The question is, how could scientists possibly know we're moving if our bodies can't detect any motion? The answer is one of the cleverest measurements in science. There's a faint glow left over from the birth of the universe, spread evenly across the entire sky. It's called the cosmic microwave background. Think of it as the oldest light there is, a fixed backdrop to everything. When we measured that glow carefully, we noticed something odd. It looked slightly hotter in one direction and slightly cooler in the opposite direction. That's exactly what you'd expect if we were moving. Like the way a sound changes pitch as a car races toward you and then away. We're rushing toward one side of the sky and away from the other. The math is staggering. Our whole galaxy is streaming in one direction at roughly 600 kilometers every second. Something is pulling us. The question is what? The pull points toward a region a few hundred million light-years away. We named the thing at its heart the Great Attractor. It has the gravitational pull of tens of thousands of galaxies. But here's the frustrating part: we can't get a clean look at it. The Great Attractor is hidden behind the worst possible obstacle, our own galaxy. We're staring straight through the crowded, dusty disk of the Milky Way. Astronomers call this blind spot the Zone of Avoidance. As we've peeked behind that wall, the story got bigger, not smaller. We now understand our galaxy as part of an enormous connected structure, a vast supercluster of thousands of galaxies all flowing together. We call it an immense heaven. The Great Attractor is the valley that all this galactic flow drains toward. And then it got stranger. The Great Attractor itself isn't the final destination. It's being pulled toward something even bigger and even farther away. We are riding a current inside a bigger current inside a bigger one. We don't yet know where the bottom is. So the next time you feel completely still, sitting in a chair, standing on solid ground, remember what's actually happening. You are moving faster than any machine humans have ever built, in a direction you can't point to, pulled by something you can't fully see, toward a destination we haven't found the end of. Pulled by something you can't fully see, toward a destination we haven't found the end of. And you'll never feel a single second of it. That's the universe you actually live in. Not still, not safe, just quiet enough to fool you. But here's what most people don't realize. The Great Attractor isn't alone in pulling us. There's a structure beneath the Great Attractor, something even more massive. A supercluster so large it contains tens of thousands of galaxies. And it's not just one supercluster. They're all connected, flowing together like rivers merging into an ocean. Scientists call this vast structure the Laniakea supercluster. It means immense heaven, and we're just one galaxy inside it. But here's where it gets even stranger. The Laniakea supercluster itself isn't stationary. It's being pulled toward something we can barely comprehend. A concentration of matter so vast that thousands of superclusters orbit around it like planets around a star. And if we trace this even further back, we find the same pattern repeating. Currents within currents, flows within flows. We are not moving toward one thing, we are moving toward everything. A hierarchy of attraction that goes deeper than we can see. The deeper we look, the more layers we find, each one pulling on the last. The Great Attractor pulls us, but something pulls the Great Attractor, and that thing is pulled by something even farther away. Its currents all the way down. In the 1980s, astronomers realized something troubling. When they mapped the motion of galaxies around us, the math didn't add up. There was too much gravity, too much pull. Something massive was missing from their calculations. They called it the missing mass problem, and it led to one of the most unsettling realizations in modern astronomy. Most of the universe, 95% of it, is invisible to us. We can't see it. We can only feel its pull. So here's what we actually know. We are moving toward something. That something is moving toward something else, and we don't know what any of it is. We're passengers on a current we can't see, pulled by forces we can't name, toward a destination we can't identify. But here's the thing that keeps astronomers up at night. Even this explanation might not be complete. There might be another level, and another, and another. We might be nested inside hierarchies of motion that go so deep we'll never reach the bottom. In 2016, a team of astronomers published a map of the entire cosmic web. Every galaxy, every supercluster, every current and flow. And they found something that shouldn't exist. A structure so vast, so massive, that it challenges everything we thought we understood about how the universe is organized. They called it the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. A structure so enormous that light would take 10 billion years to cross it. 10 billion years. That's older than the age of the universe itself. It shouldn't be possible. Yet there it is. And the Great Attractor is just a small part of it. A wrinkle on the surface of something incomprehensibly vast. We thought we were being pulled towards something. Turns out we're being pulled as part of something. A current within a current within a current, flowing through a structure we're only beginning to map. So when you wake up tomorrow and feel like you're standing still, remember this. You're not. You're moving through a hierarchy of motion so complex, so vast, that even our best telescopes can barely scratch the surface. You are part of something incomprehensibly large. And it's all still moving, always moving, towards something we haven't found yet. The cosmic web isn't random. It follows a pattern. Galaxies cluster together along invisible filaments, like cities connected by highways we can't see. These filaments stretch for hundreds of millions of light years, and the Great Attractor sits at the intersection of multiple filaments. It's not a single object. It's a gravitational basin where the landscape of space itself slopes downward. Everything nearby is sliding toward it. But here's what makes this truly strange. The Great Attractor isn't pulling us alone. It's pulling everything in its region of space. Thousands of galaxy clusters, all streaming the same direction. Our galaxy, the local group, is just one of these clusters. We're not special. We're not the center. We're a single grain of sand being swept along with billions of others. And yet the mystery doesn't end there. Because we've discovered that even the Great Attractor, this massive concentration pulling tens of thousands of galaxies, is being pulled itself towards something even larger. We call this the Shapley supercluster. It's one of the largest known structures in the observable universe, and it's pulling the Great Attractor toward it like a whirlpool pulls water. So the chain becomes clear. Earth orbits the sun orbits the galaxy flows toward the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor falls toward the Shapley supercluster, and the Shapley supercluster, we're still not sure what pulls it. This is the honest truth of our cosmic situation. We are embedded in a system of currents within currents, each one pulling us towards something we don't fully understand. And here's the part that keeps astronomers awake at night. We don't know if this chain ends. We don't know if there's a bottom to it. The universe might be an infinite series of currents, each one flowing towards something larger. So the next time you feel motionless, remember what's really happening. You're not standing still. You're falling. Falling through a hierarchy of motion so vast that even our most powerful instruments can barely map the first few levels. The universe doesn't care about your comfort. It doesn't care that you feel solid, that gravity holds you down, that the ground beneath your feet seems fixed. All of that is illusion. The ground is moving. You are moving. Everything is falling and has been falling since the moment it formed. The Great Attractor pulls us, but we're not alone in that pull. Thousands of galaxy clusters stream toward it like rivers flowing downhill. Each cluster contains billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. And somewhere in that cascade, Earth is a speck moving at speeds that would destroy any aircraft we've ever built. But here's what keeps astronomers awake at night. The Great Attractor itself is moving. It's not a fixed point in space. It's being pulled by something even larger, something so distant and so massive that we're only beginning to map its edges. We're not falling toward one thing. We're falling toward something that's falling toward something else. Laniakea. That's the name astronomers gave to our supercluster. It's Hawaiian for immense heaven. Over 100,000 galaxies flowing together in a structure so vast that light itself takes hundreds of millions of years to cross it. And we're just one galaxy, in one corner, being pulled along with everything else. The question we thought we'd answered turned out to be just the beginning of a bigger question. We found the Great Attractor. But finding it didn't explain everything, because the Great Attractor isn't the end of the story. It's just another chapter in a mystery that keeps expanding the moment we think we've solved it. Scientists have discovered that even the Great Attractor is part of a larger flow. There's something beyond it, even more massive, pulling it along. Follow the chain of gravity and you find yourself in an infinite regression. Earth pulled by the sun's galaxy. The galaxy pulled by the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor pulled by something we haven't named yet. And that's something pulled by something beyond it. We don't know where it ends. We might never know. The universe might not have an end, or it might have one so far away that light hasn't had time to reach us from it in the 13.8 billion years since creation. What we do know is this: you are not standing still. You are not sitting in a chair. You are falling through a cosmic hierarchy of motion so profound that it rewrites what it means to be still. The next time you feel motionless, remember what's actually happening beneath that illusion. You're moving faster than any spacecraft humans have ever built. You're moving in a direction you can't point to. You're being pulled by something you can't fully see. And you're heading toward a destination we haven't found the end of, and you'll never feel a single second of it. That's the universe you actually live in. Not still, not safe, not even fully understood. Just quiet enough to fool you into thinking you're standing still. Quiet enough that you can go about your day without feeling the motion. Quiet enough that you can forget for a moment that you're falling. The Great Attractor is still pulling us. Right now, as you watch this, your galaxy is moving at 600 kilometers per second toward something we still don't fully understand. The mystery hasn't been solved. It's only grown deeper. If that unsettles you, if that makes you question your place in the cosmos, that's exactly the point. There are more mysteries like this one, stranger ones, and I'm